Where are the students? The concerns from principals since this week's phased resumption of face-to-face classes at some high schools. In St. Thomas, some students have ditched classes for employment. Krista Campbell has the details.
Seaforth, Yalas and Paul Bogle High School students happy to be back at school this week after 9 months of virtual learning due to COVID-19. They're among 17 schools selected for the Education Ministry's pilot phased resumption of face-to-face classes. The Jamaica Teachers Association President, Jaswood Gabriel, as well as shadow spokesman on education, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, visited the schools to observe their COVID safety protocols at work. That hurdle passed, principals are more concerned with students or the lack thereof.
Come next week, we intend to send out a team of individuals, personnel from the school, to do some home visits to find out what is happening.
Only students sitting external exams were allowed back at school this week, but at Paul Bogle High, Principal Kerry Kelly says only 20% of his students turned up.
If you look on the road, there is work going on the road, and quite a number of our students are earning something that they really needed. They are trying to earn something for the family, for themselves. As a matter of fact, I saw 2 students yesterday and said, Mr. Kelly, I'll be getting pay this weekend. So you'll see me on Monday.
The loss of jobs and regular income as a result of the pandemic have made it even harder for some parents to find the funds to send their children out to school. Some school administrators have committed to trying to help ease the pressure. Meanwhile, the JTA president says his organization will continue to lobby for greater resources, including more teachers to help with the smaller classroom sizes as part of COVID safety protocols.
We are very happy that the teachers whose services were terminated December 31st, 2020, those who had contracts up until August 2021, we are very happy that their services have been reinstated. They are able to continue now in terms of adding value to the teaching and learning process and to support their other colleagues who are seeking to reach as many of our students as possible.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.